I heard this guy earlier talking about this person he knows who is practice practitioner of Stoic philosophy, but he happens to be deaf and afraid of loud noises. What a rig, dude. What a fucking rigged game that is. How does that fucking happen to someone? I mean, how does that even make sense? It doesn't. I don't know. I don't know. Like maybe weirder things have happened.